Hi everyone, so today we're gonna show you a quick demonstration of how you can use Go HighLevel into your existing AI agent workflow. So just recently we released support for, again, this new integration, Go HighLevel. So if you're in the marketing or ads agency business, Go HighLevel is a marketing platform to streamline most marketing workflows and processes. This is how you can integrate your Go HighLevel projects with your existing agents. Okay, so to begin with, this is Go HighLevel dashboard. As you can see, you can keep track of your contacts here. It's empty at the moment. Let's create a Google Sheet database. Let's say you're going to import data from a Google Sheet to your Go HighLevel contacts dashboards. Let's add some data here: name, email, okay, then phone number, and let's change the status to new. Okay, then after setting up your Google Sheet data, we're gonna go over to the agent here. We're gonna add client ID and client secret ID for your Google project. Same goes for the other one here. So we do have two components here that we will use to capture information from the Google Sheet that we just created, fetch the data from there, and then pass them over to Go HighLevel. Alright, so let's up our API key for the Go HighLevel component. Alright, and then let's enter the payload. So the payload contains the spreadsheet ID, which is something that we need to run the components, or to be able to fetch the data from the components. And now you can see that the contact has been imported to Go HighLevel.